Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna show you how you can set up or send LTO messages on WhatsApp. LTO stands for limited time offer. It's a new type of template message that you can create, which is supported on Cloud API. So if you have a channel connected on Cloud API or your number or you're trying to use WhatsApp Cloud API, this feature is available for you and which is supported in our platform as well. So in this video, we will help you how to set up an LTO based template notification. First, let's see what exactly LTO, how it look like on WhatsApp. So here you can see I have a template message created here, already set it up. And I'm gonna send it to one of my number and we can see how exactly it will look like. So let me gonna send it now. So here you can see this offer ends on August 24th. Today is 23rd. So this is how it will look like. It's a time based limited time template notification. So if you are having a if you have a product or service, something like that, if your business have you're providing a limited time coupon code or something, this is a very good use case. You can use this kind of template message and send to your customers directly through broadcasting, and you can give a coupon code within the template message, so which will expire in a specific date. So after that date, that template the message cannot be accessed, it won't be available. So let's see how it look like on WhatsApp. So as you can see, this is how it will look like on your WhatsApp. So here you can see based on the time we given, August 24 ends tomorrow at 12:46 p.m. So I hope you got the idea how this template messages works. So another thing, it only supports on mobile app, latest version of WhatsApp app only it supports. So here you can see you have the copy code. The users can directly copy the code, and if they click on the button, it will take to the link that you have provided here. So at the moment we didn't provide a specific link. So here you can see the code you are given, the coupon code, they can directly copy, and the website of the product or the service that you want your customer to go, you can redirect to them there, and they can apply the code and buy the claim the product or uh, claim the offer like that. So that's a basic idea how this template message works and how you can utilize it for your business. So now let's look at how you can set it up in Rapidbot platform. So if you have a number connected, for example, if you have a WhatsApp channel, if you have a WhatsApp channel number connected in our Cloud API, so let me show you how you can set it up. First of all, just open the chatbot builder, go to the all bots, which are wherever your bot is connected with channel. If it is a WhatsApp channel, go there and open the bot. Once the builder is loaded, you can go to contents. From contents, you can find message templates. Just click on it. Then you can apply or create a new template. Just click on new template. So you will get a menu like this. So here you can give the name. So rapid limited offer. I'm just creating a template name. So here in category or type, you can click on it. You can find different category. From here you can find LTO, the limited time offer. So select that. By default you have a template here. You can update or you can make changes. For example, if you want to add an image, a product image or something, or video, you can select a header. If an image or video, that based on your preference you can select. Then here you can give a title, or so in our case here no get 38% 70 78 off, like that we given something like that. So here if you want to yeah, here if you want to give an offer, you can type like this. Here also you can see the preview in the right side, and here you can give any body that you want. So this preference what you have that you can do. The time, the expiry date, you don't need to worry about that, which you can provide when you're setting up the template, which we will talk about later. The code also you can leave it, that also you will get the option to set it up. Here you have a website redirect URL. So here if you want, you can provide a test for the button, buy now or claim now, whatever you prefer. You can type here button test, and here is the link to your website or product page. So here you can provide your static URL, the main domain, and here you can provide, for now you can provide a sample data here. So when you're sending this template message, pushing this template message, there you can give the link to your product page, direct link to your product page that you can give. So for now I'm gonna put simply putting pricing only. So once this is done, you can click on send to review sample URL. So we haven't provided a sample URL for the image. Let's provide that as well. So now we provided all the data in the template. Now let's click on send to review and submit. So the error is happening because let's put a slash also here, because this URL is giving error because it .com pricing like that. So let's put a slash here. So now let's click on send to review. If all the formatters are correct, it should be successful. So now you can see rapid limited offer, the template we created is under pending. So the it has to be approved by the Meta team. So let's click on the sync button. Now you can see it got approved. This template has been approved. Now let's do a testing. Now I'm gonna send it to my own number. So here you can see I want to send template message. So here I'm searching for the template that we created, rapid limited offer. So here we need to provide the image. Just select let's select this image, and here you can see the offer time expiring, like the offer expiration time, which you need to provide. So for that you can either use this website, epochconverter.com. So from here here you can provide the month, day, and date, day, and the time also when the offer should expire. Like for example, let's create 25th of August and 7:16. This is based on your local time. You can select let's select 12:16. So now let's click on human date to timestamp. You will get the new timestamp here. So if you copy this and paste it here, so that will be the expiration date and time that we have selected. And here you can select the coupon code that you want. So I added a something called special here as a coupon code. Here you can provide the URL that you want the when you click on the button where it should be redirecting. This should be your product page or your offer service page or something like that, so that the user can go there and claim the code. So here you have the button also, copy offer code, and let's click on the send button. As you can see, the message has been sent. You can see the template message here. You got the new template message that we sent. It already received. So that's how you can use the LTO template message on WhatsApp. That's how you can use it for your business and send it to your customers. So we already showed you how you can set it up, this template message. So inside the flow, I mean previously also we have done how to send template messages. Similar way you can set it up. Inside you can create a subflow, and inside the send message go to other and select message template. From here you can select the template message that you created, provide the image, coupon, and everything. And so you can use this flow inside a broadcasting, and or you can directly send this flow to a customer so that they will receive this kind of template notifications. So that's it. That is for the video. If you have any further questions, or if you want to uh, learn more about it, or if you have any doubts or any issues, feel free to reach out to our support, and we will help you out. Thank you.